locations. The same familiar line. I'm a veteran.
Hey, Mr. Mustache! Hey!
Get that shit on my face.
Get that shit on my... Shut the up!
Go wait for your...
Risk my life for this stinking ass country. I hate you white people.
They think serving the country puts them above the law. Reality proves otherwise, every time.
Hey, I'm a veteran just like you. Hey, what is that? What is that?
On April 1st, 2024, police answered a call at a senior complex where Nate, a self-proclaimed veteran, mistook entitlement for authority and picked fights with neighbors.
What's going on, man? You Nate?
What are you looking for?
Nate.
What about it?
Are you Nate, man?
What?
Are you Nate?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Let's go. Stop. Put your bench back. Stop. No. Stop. You're gonna get tased.
I hate you. Well, that's nice. Sure it is for you.
Yep.
What are you gonna do? I've been through this shit in the army.
You're gonna get tased.
Put my arm behind my back and do it. Stupid ass motherfucker. Call yourself a cop. You need to go in the military.
You're lucky you didn't get knocked out.
What? Knocked out by who? You? You ain't seen a doctor.
Alright, let's go.
You have not seen a doctor. You're like a faggot motherfucker.
Yeah, I'll get it later.
Y'all ain't seen shit yet. Young mother. You ever been in war? You ever been shot? You know nothing about that. What?
When officers moved in to verify his identity, Nate snapped, spitting insults, waving his military past like a fake badge, and denying police authority between racist rants. The meltdown was pure entitlement theater. Louder claims, thinner reality. History lessons don't cancel handcuffs.
Bunch of crackers. What are you doing that for? You think I'm gonna break that?
No, I'm not worried about you breaking.
What you doing, cracker? Which way you gonna have me facing the wall?
Yep.
I ain't facing the wall for you. Russians might as well catch me, because I'm not for sure doing it for you. White son of a bitch, I hate you. And the country do too. Nobody wants to be like you.
Stop.
Secure this room for us.
Yes. Mother.
He refused the wall, rejected basic commands, and launched a hate-filled rant against white people, the country, and reality itself. Entitlement at full volume, logic unplugged, handcuffs patiently waiting.
You're taller than tanks. You don't know nothing about combat. Nothing. Risk my life for this stinking ass country. I hate you white people. I hate you.
Stop.
Stop where?
Stop pulling.
I'm supposed to know what you're thinking?
Okay. You got anything in your pockets?
Yeah, I got bullets.
Bullets?
What do you think? You idiot.
Anything at all?
Search closely. White people, we got our names put on the goddamn roster for these white people.
Get in the car.
Close the door.
Thank you. Did you stand up?
No.
Oh, okay.
I was like, did I?
I thought I saw blood on your thumb.
No.
All right. 2 batteries, and well, 'cause he's a senior too. I mean, it wouldn't be ag that.
I mean, you kind of have a cake crime if he's
Yeah,
saying all that other shit.
He said several times he hates white people.
Yeah.
So I'll go ahead and throw it on there.
I don't know how that works with, I mean, she's obviously 90 whatever. So
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it would fall.
But he is too.
He
I don't
is.
know how that works.
I'll
He needs to be somewhere else. I guess.
yeah, I'll try reading to Miranda. I don't see you going well.
Probably not.
Could do the wagon up underneath here.
Hey, you could pull up under the thing.
Yeah.
That's right, better.
Yeah. So your name is Nate, correct?
No, it's not. You think I am?
All right. What's your middle initial?
I don't have one, you idiot.
You don't have one. So what's your date of birth?
I'm military before you were born.
Okay. I was military too, man. I don't
I
care.
don't see how.
I don't care. What's your
I don't
birthday?
care about you, idiot.
What's your birthday?
What?
What's your birthday?
What's yours?
What is your birthday?
None of your business.
Okay, so that's another charge then. That's obstructing application.
Police asked for basics. Nate answered with insults and treated his birth date like top secret intel. Fully restrained, he still played the unfair veteran card. Apparently, service now doubles as a universal ID.
I'm throwing obstructing ID on too. I'm throwing obstructing ID on too. You just want to give me a birthday.
You young enough to be my son.
Yeah, I sure am.
Shit, you ain't seen shit.
Okay.
You get a cop with a job with the cops. You ain't got any guns. Get me out of here.
Nope.
Sir, go ahead and step out.
3431, I'm number 1 TV out of 331.
Okay, so I'm gonna switch your cuffs out.
Hey, Adam, I'm on the way.
Face the car.
What?
Face the car, please.
I can't face no other way.
I gotta get these switched out.
Huh?
I gotta get these switched out.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. This way.
This way.
Look, how you doing?
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, that's my man. What, I can't speak to him? Hate you, people. I hate you. I've been doing for 12 years in the military, and this is what I get. Thank you, white people.
The entitlement tour ended with charges: resisting arrest and obstruction of identification. Yelling didn't bend the law. Handcuffs don't take speeches. But was this meltdown just ego, or a loud confession of hatred for the country he keeps invoking? And when entitlement survives the first arrest, it usually finds a new stage.
It's all
told me he had to leave, so he goes, I'm following. I said, no, you go straight ahead. So he goes straight walking to the window. I'm like, come on.
What happened?
He was getting aggressive and cursing at the employees. And,
So just an escort off?
yeah.
Okay.
As of right now.
On July 20th, 2024, Orlando police responded to a full-blown disturbance at Universal Studios, courtesy of one unruly visitor.
I'm walking through the entire way. I'm gonna walk. Okay. So don't give me shit. I'm gonna walk to the goddamn Uber. Don't give me shit. I swear to God, I'll split. Alright? You understand that? Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 idiots. Okay, let's walk.
Our suspect started off cooperative until he flipped the switch to aggressive mode, bravely confronting security with a mouthful of colorful language.
I'm walking. Watch me.
Yeah, we'll do a paper drive fast. Sir? So you are formally being trespassed on the property?
Man, shut the f*** up, bro.
Trespassing the property.
Shut the f*** up.
Don't start walking.
No, it doesn't matter what the f***
does.
you
Don't
told me
start
to walk
walking.
out. That's what I'm
And then
doing.
stop walking.
Yeah, we already got it, bro. You're trespassing. Get the f*** out. We got it. Why the f*** do you need this many idiots?
But we just made it.
Look at them. Alright, come on. What do you want? Stop recording. Hey guys,
Answer that with this. Yep, go that way.
over, right?
In the property now.
What?
Yeah, trespass, exit the property.
Exit the property, call for an Uber,
Yep, go
right?
ahead. Please do that now. Thank you.
Alright, I'm canceling what you said. Cancel. Okay. You've seen this, right? I'm cooperating. Where to?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah?
Back away from me.
No. You want to watch me?
I want to watch you. I want you to exit the property.
You guys want to watch me,
No,
bro?
please just order your Uber. We don't want to watch.
Confirm
We believe
Uber
you.
X.
We believe you.
Yeah?
Yep, I'm getting closer to me.
What are you going to do? Handcuff me? Oh, look at this guy.
Have you ordered your Uber, sir?
Yeah, I did. What does that say?
You have not chosen yet. You haven't ordered it.
Confirm Uber X.
There you go.
Hey, you saw that, right?
Boss man.
Yeah.
Hit confirm pickup.
Hey, you hit it for me. Thank you.
There you go.
Yeah. What else you have to say?
That's it.
That's it, right? That's it.
You are verbally trespassing
I
property.
got you, brother. Yeah, I can understand you guys, but I can't understand these.
Do me a favor.
This mother and this mother.
I need you to calm down.
It doesn't matter what the
Alright.
calm down.
You refuse to leave, I'm gonna press charges, okay?
Press charges, bro.
That's fine, but I need you to
Do what
relax.
you gotta do,
Okay, do me a
bro.
favor, just hang out over there.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Okay.
I just want to make sure these mother understand.
Despite his tantrums and colorful insults, officers kindly reminded him he was trespassing before gently escorting him off the property. Nice try, buddy.
Hey, Mr. Mustache. Hey,
Get that shit on my face.
get that shit on my.
Go wait
Shut
for
the
your-
f- up.
Go wait for your Uber.
Y'all. You guys are.
It's about there.
Hey, how much?
It's already
Pay me for this shit.
back up. Yes, keys in his left hand.
You good? Are you good? I swear to God, when shit comes down, bro, your family's. You, and you, bro. What is that? What is that?
I got a plate. Go face down. Face down. Yeah, I got a plate. You're gonna get tased. You wanna get tased? Hands behind your back. Stop resisting now. Stop resisting. Do it now.
Things got spicy when he lost his cool, so police quickly gifted him a shiny new set of handcuffs. Congrats. Oh my god! Looks like those magical handcuffs instantly cured his screaming problem. Funny how that works.
Orange County Sheriff's Office, stop resisting. Do it now. Good. Get this bag out from under him. Yep. If we can't, we'll cut it off. Here, right there, I think. Good, and double up. Where's my car? You want to put your car up, or we can just take him down there? Okay. Are you going to cooperate? Probably anything's in the bag. This side's clear. Give me a second, I'm close. Okay. Oh, my pants. Got a hole. What? That's not really resistant. Oh, for sure.
It's early resisting and trespassing.
Yeah, he already said he would prosecute. That was a big deal. All right. Roll. Yep. Bring this leg in. And stand up.
We're gonna one or?
Hey, you're my kid, You got my key, brother?
You got it.
That's okay. That's all I care about.
Was that necessary?
It doesn't matter, bro. It's a thing of speech, bro. What the you guys stand for? You know?
Non-disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct, brother. I'm just a page. Hey, I'm a veteran just like you.
Why are you acting this way?
It doesn't matter what the I do, bro. Did you get my key?
Yes. Yeah, just stop.
All right, good.
Look, this stuff is that all your
All right, that's all that matters. Then say whatever you want to say, bro.
After a brief pause, he proudly crowned himself an extreme warrior, because apparently that's a legit excuse now.
Road 512 to 512, going down. The doors are closing. Move it down clear.
Thanks, Universal.
Oh, that's great, dude.
Right here. Get your feet out. Now I already searched you upstairs, but you go in the back of my car, so I search people again.
Yeah, boy, cover theater, perfect telephone.
I'm going to start the car, we'll get the AC on, and once the other vehicle gets here, they're going to be the ones that transport you. So, sir, and just to remind you, and you're going to have a paper in your property, it's going to be a pink piece of paper, that you are formally indefinitely trespassing this property, okay? If you come back on Universal property, you're subject to arrest for trespass.
Yes, sir. Do I get a refund for my annual pass?
So you can contact their customer service and let them know there was an incident. That's all handled by them. That's separate from us. All right?
Sure.
Go to fill that out. No trespass? Yeah. It's in the property. All right, thank you.
He earned himself a triple crown: trespassing on property after warning, disorderly conduct, and resisting an officer without violence. Truly impressive. One is older, one is louder. Same illusion. Honor isn't lost by serving, it's lost by excusing bad behavior. Like, subscribe, and tell